Now what happens is when we begin marriage, most couples have an equal desire for sexual life as well as for being together. But as time goes, a gap starts getting created. Responsibilities आ जाती है, बहुत सारे issues आ जाते हैं, situations आ जाते हैं where we start not giving so much importance to this. And men and women think differently. Women first need an emotional connect. They need to be they need to feel loved, they need to feel appreciated, they need to feel respected before they can even think of any sexual intimacy with their husbands. And if things are not going well between the couple, it's time to give it a thought. What is wrong? Is it that I prefer to only cuddle and sleep? Is it that I'm getting the children in between janbujke to sleep in between the couple so that I can make some bahanas and I don't need to indulge into sexual life with my husband? Sometimes what happens is a lot of women, especially this happens when they are in their 40s, where they just prefer to cuddle and sleep. Okay, even the younger woman may just want to do that. They just want the warmth of the husband's arm. But the husband reads this as wrong signals and wants it as a desire for sex. So she starts feeling pressurized. Now, if she's feeling pressurized, she'll start avoiding all kinds of physical touch. Okay, sometimes even hugging, kissing, touching, or all forms are avoided, thinking this will create an advancement for or a demand for sex. And this starts creating trouble. Okay, it's like a nut and bolt situation. If we have 2 nuts and 10 bolts, how many pairs can we have? 2, can't have more than that. How does this logic work in marriage? If the husband wants sex 10 times in a month and the wife wants it only twice, in all probabilities they'll end up having only twice.